is up, people? I'm just very excited because what is today? It is Sunday. What is Sunday, you're asking? Alicia's favorite day to vlog because I'm just chilling at home pretty much all the time. You really didn't miss too much this morning. I slept in a little bit and I watched about an hour of Botched on E. Love that show. Which I never really watched TV, but today was just one of those mornings I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just do that. We got our workout in and now I'm currently heading home to clean my freaking room because it is a mess. You know, these are my favorite vlogs to watch. I don't know if it's gonna be interesting for you, but to be honest, like just a home vlog. I have so much cleaning. I've been putting it off for honestly the past like 2-3 weeks. It's kind of embarrassing. It's kind of really embarrassing, TBH. Please don't judge me. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, can you guys hear that? Oh, I think it's one of those. Oh, it's Hyde. I was like, what is that? I literally hear people yelling. I thought it was, okay, yeah, it's literally just a club. That's funny. I feel like, oh, I guess Sunday fun day. It's 2 p.m. I'll update you guys when I drive home, but that's what's going on. Okay, dope. Well, I'm gonna update you guys really soon. So let's do today. Let's do this. Do you hear this? It's so loud. Hi, baby. How are we? Did we just wake up? Here's your daily dose of Chloe. Oh, we need to clean your face, girl. Okay, so I stopped at Sweet Green and got a salad because it is like, let's see, a lovely $2.19 and your girl has not eaten lunch yet. So I'm very, very excited to eat this right now. Oh my God, I actually this may be TMI, but all I want to do is shower right now because I feel disgusting. But anyways, oh my God, I'm so. If you have a Sweet Green near you, please go try it. It is just a very expensive but very good salad place. I have to tweet out that I'm not uploading today. Oh my God. Honestly, all I want to do is just like go up in my room, clean, and watch some YouTube videos. I feel like you're weirdly kind of close to me. Like, I love you guys, but we need some space. Well, this is great content. Update time. So as you can probably tell, I finally showered and I feel so much better. 2, 3, ooh. Say hi. Okay, I need to show you guys my room, but I'm kind of like low-key really embarrassed. I don't know what happened. I feel like I was on my shit for a while, you know? Like I was killing it. I was constantly picking up and cleaning after myself. And then the past few weeks, it's just been kind of crazy. I think honestly for a long time, I started having Sundays free like today. And the past few weeks, I've just been busy and stuff. So no excuse. Please don't judge me. This is the worst it's been in months. Okay, so here's the before of my room. Honestly, okay. No, it's pretty bad. Here's the thing, all the clothes are clean. I just gotta put them away. We have clothes galore, random crap galore, more clothes galore, and the closet also has more clothes galore. They're all clean. They're all clean. I've been doing laundry. I just haven't been putting it away. So yay. I think there's addresses there, so I'm gonna cover that. We have some trash that I just literally need to put in the trash can. Makeup vanity, you know, I actually have seen it worse, but I just have not been picking up after myself, so please don't freaking judge me. I usually get pretty overwhelmed when it comes to starting cleaning because I just don't know where to start. But what I usually do, or what I've been doing lately, is usually just put all the clean clothes on my bed, and then that way I can just put it away, so that way most of the stuff's off the floor. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make my bed. I actually should wash my sheets too, but you know, maybe we'll do that tomorrow because realistically I feel like all this is just still gonna take me the rest of the day. Yo, guys, I'm actually being a good YouTuber today and I got a tripod to use instead of just making my own like crappy one. But the sun is kind of on my face. Wow, bad light. Okay, wow. I think what I'm gonna do, let me make my bed real quick. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos while I do this. So I'm gonna do a time lapse because yeah. Also, why do I have one like blush colored one? That makes no sense at all. It's just my favorite pillow. Hey, like this video if you also hate making your bed because same. I know. so we have made some progress. I feel like it doesn't look like I've made that much progress simply because this amount of clothes is like still here. But I cleaned off the vanity, I picked off everything down here, and then the pile in my closet is a lot smaller, and then I got all of the trash, which I like can't believe I actually had that much trash in my room, which is insane. We're making progress. So I'm gonna reward myself even though we're only maybe halfway done, and go downstairs and get a coffee because yeah. Guys, this time change is no joke. It's only 4 o'clock and I feel like it probably looks bright on camera, but it is already so dark in here and it makes me really sad because I hate when, I don't know, it's 4, it shouldn't be dark. So while I make coffee, I have a lovely story to tell you guys. You're gonna die. Maybe we'll just use this guy. The thing that I knew was gonna happen still ended up happening even though I really thought it wouldn't happen. That makes sense? So this weekend I went to my parents' house and you know how I lost my sunglasses? And I bought new ones. I knew that why is this always the case? I knew literally the second that I bought replacement ones that I would find the original ones. We have them both. I did not leave it at a restaurant as I thought I did. Why does that always happen? I swear. Has that happened to you? Because I swear that always happens to me. I'll lose something the second I buy a replacement, and I will wait months. Like I will purposely, like I won't buy it right away. I'll give it time, see if it pops up. The second that I buy a replacement one, then I end up finding the original one. I don't know. That's just, I feel like that's just how it works. To my defense though, I will say, one of the first things I did was ask my mom if it was in her car because I remember having them the day that we were driving around in her car and she said she didn't see them. Once I put the vlog up of me buying these new ones, she watched it and then she was like, wait, I have seen those somewhere. And then apparently they're in the glove box, but yeah, at least we have a backup now. So anyways, literally my literal last vlog was me showing you guys these glasses and saying that I lost them and that I bought new ones. It's just, I guess that's just how it is. I don't know. But, oh, coffee. Okay. I'm kind of feeling, what we want iced. I'm kind of feeling like some oat milk maybe, or some creamer. I feel like that sounds really freaking bomb today. So let's do it. Yeah, I think just oat. Ooh, do we want oat milk or do we want creamer? I can't decide. Oh my God, it's so freaking dark. Okay, boom, hold on. Okay, also, does anyone else's Keurig, we just got this one. This one is not old. It like splatters everywhere all the freaking time. Like every single day we have to clean this. It's insane. Anyways, I think we're gonna go with the creamer today. This is Natural Bliss. Is literally one of my favorite creamers of life. Look at it, just freaking 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oh my God, is that literally not one of the most beautiful things you have ever seen in your entire life? Dope. Literally just waiting for Chloe to go to the bathroom. I'm not kidding. She is one of the sassiest dogs ever. She will take forever. I don't know what else to do. Also, this is really good. Look at, she's just like chilling. Chloe May. Oh my God, you look so little. Hi, babe. You look so little. Did you go yet? I'm ready. She doesn't like stepping in the grass. It's really funny. For instance, she will literally walk all the way around. Like she won't go in the grass. Oh my God, it's happening finally. 5, 4, 3, 2. Does anyone know why dogs like have to, like, I don't know. I don't get it. Like she was about to go and then she was like, nope. Maybe she's camera shy. Finally. Not kidding. Like this was one of the best coffees I've had in a really freaking long time, guys. Go get that freaking oat milk creamer. Okay, come on, let's go inside. Come on, my child. Okay, we are back in the room. We've made some more progress, but there's still a lot to do. Let's do another time lapse. Update time. It is much later. Honestly, I've had the most productive day. It's not like it's been like that productive, but to me cleaning my room is making it pretty productive. So I'm gonna show you guys all that I did, but I feel like this vlog's kind of boring. I'm so sorry, but I genuinely have just been like in the cleaning zone. So I wanted to start getting ready for bed. Luckily, I did not have makeup on today, so we don't have to take our makeup off. And do not like love, the best feeling in the freaking world is when you're like, oh, I have to go get ready for bed, and then you realize you're not wearing makeup, so then you, like, my heart gets so happy and rejoices. It's just literally, it's one of the best feelings in the world, and that happened to me. I hardly use this, but this is the jet lag mask from Summer Fridays, and I'm gonna try it because honestly, can I be so honest, I've been so lazy when it comes to my skincare lately. I don't know why, but like, man, I've just been like hella freaking lazy. Like I've been taking off my makeup, I've been cleansing it, but I haven't been like going through every step I have not, I don't know, I haven't been taking care of my skin whatsoever, so I feel like doing like a mask will honestly kind of perfect this Sunday. I feel like Sundays are just such good days to like just reset yourself, you know? Still loving the Skin Fridge. My skincare routine hasn't changed that much since the last time I've done it, but I have like changed a few things. Like I've been using this Truth Serum from Ole Hendrickson and I've been loving that just to kind of change it up because I had it and I hadn't been using it. And like even like the lip mask and even my jade roller, like I just haven't been doing all of the steps. I've just been kind of getting by. We're gonna actually kind of take our time tonight to do this. I realized I just put a mask and now I put moisturizer over that mask, so I have no idea if that, I don't know, that might have been pointless. Mask. This thing, guys, this thing is so good. I've just been like lazy lately. It's so good. It smells like berries. I actually prefer the berry one over the vanilla one. It's just like, Also, I envy those people who literally never get like red faces because here I feel like I could sneeze and my face turns red. Okay, I'm honestly so shook. It's only 9 p.m. and I'm already exhausted and I feel like I'm just gonna go to bed early. I was watching TV in my room and I realized that I honestly could fall asleep like at any moment. And that's when I was like, okay, you probably should just go to bed because... Okay, I wanna show you an after of the closet. What is this? No freaking clothes. What is this? Shoes are organized. It always feels so good. Like it feels so freaking good when my closet is clean. So very excited about that. And then, oh, she clean or whatever. Also besides this, because I was using this to vlog. The room is clean. I definitely still need to vacuum because there's like little bits of whatever. It's just like trash and like whatever stuff. I honestly should probably get the Swiffer though, but guys, like so needed. Huh, Chloe? So needed. Like even this is clean. I'm charging my mirror for the first time in months. This is clean. Hold on, let's put this guy on. There, so much cuter. Also wearing the So Extra joggers in pink. They were limited edition. If you guys have them, then you the best. Oh my God. I just realized that this is the first vlog I'm uploading after all of my merch went live. My Vlogmas merch and stuff. And you guys, like I was so not expecting this, but literally pretty much everything sold out within a day, which I was not expecting at all. I am not even kidding. Like pretty much everything except for we still have some disposable cameras still left on the site, but the Vlogmas sweatshirts and the mugs and just like all the bundles, like everything sold out literally a little over 24 hours. Like seriously, I don't even know what to say. I was so shook. Like I always like, I don't know, like you always hear of YouTubers selling out of stuff like super quick and stuff, but I never thought I would like be one to look at like, it meant so much and it just got me even more excited for Vlogmas and stuff. And I don't know, it really just like, that's all I can say is that it means so much that you guys just want to support and stuff. And I've said this before, but seriously, like even if you can't afford to get one, like you just watching my videos is enough. Like that is enough. Please don't feel like I love people more if they bought one. I just like, I'm kind of like speechless. Like I think it still hasn't registered. I'm not sure as of now if we're doing a restock. I'm gonna talk to the team and stuff and see what they, like even if we're able to or whatever, but I've gotten a lot of questions of people wanting to do a restock. So I should have more answers tomorrow because it was the weekend and everyone will be back in the office tomorrow, but I will definitely keep you guys updated with all that stuff. I'm just like, I don't know, it's so weird. I'm just so thankful and I just wanted to say thank you for that because I literally just realized I haven't talked to you guys about that since. Oh my God. So thanks. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, I can finish showing you my clean room. Anyways, so this is what we got going on. I definitely need some like wrinkle spray. I actually got a new comforter and I really freaking like it. I feel like I should have said all this during the daytime. I can update you guys with all that later. And with that, I'm actually really tired. I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube or TV and just like kind of fall asleep because I'm kind of tired and it feels way too early to go to bed, but at the same time I feel like if I just chill for a little bit I'll like fall asleep real easily. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. Also, I will do makeup Monday because I've slacked and forgot last week, so I'll do makeup Monday in tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, I love you guys. Okay, bye. Illy.